Hey friends, if you wish to see all the Windows 11 devices that are connected to the device settings, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings. Go to Bluetooth and devices on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane select devices. Now it will show all the devices that are connected to it, but when I say devices, it won't show what is connected beyond that device. For example, my mouse is connected using the 2.4G receiver. It will show the receiver which is connected. It won't show what is connected beyond that. Okay, and it never shows that like this mouse is connected, this mouse is connected directly, this audio input microphone is connected. So these are for the general devices. Other than this, any printer or camera that is connected would be shown in the printer and camera section. We have mobile devices, cameras and all, they are shown separately. Okay. So this is how it is done. The webcam is connected, although it is an internal webcam. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.